Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. And this is News Point. The big story we're tracking for you at this hour is coming in from China, where Russian President Vladimir Putin has arrived for a state visit. And this is 4 days after US President Donald Trump visited China. What's on the agenda and what's at stake? We'll discuss all that in greater detail on the show today. We'll also get you the latest from West Asia, where things stand in the Iran war. Essentially, how close or how far are we from any real breakthrough? But before we get into that, let's quickly take a look at the headlines. Chinese President Xi Jinping says further hostilities in West Asia are advisable, calls for a comprehensive ceasefire as he speaks with his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin in Beijing. Vladimir Putin's close ally, Kirill Dmitriev, says that United Kingdom and European Union need Russian energy to survive. And this comes as Britain allows imports of diesel and jet fuel refined abroad from Russian crude under a sanctions exemption. President Lai Ching-te says Taiwan's future cannot be decided by foreign forces and must remain in the hands of its people. And this after Trump suggests that arms sales to Taiwan could be used as leverage in talks with China, which claims the island as its own territory. Prime Minister Modi says he met Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni over dinner and visited the Colosseum. Notes that they discussed a wide range of issues and expressed optimism about continuing talks to further strengthen India-Italy ties. Heavy rains across central and southern China since weekend kill at least 22 people, with 20 still missing. Several regions experienced record-breaking rainfall, prompting schools and works to suspend operations for some time. The Indian rupee hits a record low of 96.88 per dollar as stalled US-Iran talks keep oil prices high. Fueling inflation fears, rising yields, heavy foreign outflows and surging crude have deepened India's balance of payments concerns. And Arsenal's decades-long wait is over. The Gunners secured their first Premier League title in 22 years after Manchester City draw 1-1 with Bournemouth.